Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into the community Pottery Barn Credit Card. So first of all, what you have to do is open the Google Chrome web browser or any other preferable browser you prefer. And in the URL section right over here on the top, type down community Pottery Barn Credit Card. And after that, enter if you're done. And from here, we could see a lot of options, but you have to pick the first one that says Pottery Barn Credit Card. Click on that. And here we could see just beside here that says sign in option. Click on that as well. And it's loading. It will take a few time. And here we could see we are required with our username as well as your password. So type down your username and your password as well. And here we could see the small box that says remember me. So if you want the device that you're trying to log in that keep logged in after you sign in, then you can click on this option, this small box. But if you don't prefer that, click back again. And if you have forgotten your username or password, you can simply click on this option in order to recover your username or password. And you can also reset the password. But if you have not enrolled or registered your account in Pottery Barn Credit Card, you have this option as well that says register now in order to create an account. And after that, click on the sign in and you'll be successfully signed in to the Pottery Barn Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.